Chinook helicopters. I don't know if this thing's gonna see it through here. I'm gonna get up over here. Let me see. Can I see them? There's 3 Chinook helicopters up there. This thing's probably focusing on the fence. Damn it. 3 Chinook helicopters. Look at that. You know how old they are? They keep those airframes must be so built. They're like the B-52 bomber. Those airframes. They were made to last 100 years. I worked on the B-52 bomber radar revisions when Ronald Reagan was our president. There they go. Low and slow. I don't think it's just focusing in on this. Alright, I'm going to stop the video.